નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we will study about the addition on and subtraction of the like terms in algebraic expressions. Right? So, in previous class we have studied about what are called the terms. So all these basic terms of algebraic expressions you are now familiar with all the terms. Right? So, here we have now to add and subtract the algebraic expressions. So, how the addition and subtraction is possible? See, if there are the digits, then it is very easy because they are the digits. But here, the thing is that algebraic expression is made by the constant and variables. So that constant and variable together make one term, and if there is positive and negative sign, then another terms is there. So the terms are differentiated by the positive and negative sign. So how we can add them, that we have to study today. See, here let us take one of the example that uh, we have to add the two expressions. One is 7x square minus 4x plus 5, and another is 9x minus 10. 9x minus 10. We have to add both these algebraic expressions. So, in last class we have studied about the like terms and unlike terms. That concept we have to use here. We can add only the like terms and we can subtract only the like terms. We cannot add and subtract the unlike terms. So whenever we have to make the addition, we have to write down in this way: 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Now this is 9x minus 10. So 9x we have to write down under the terms which is like terms with the 9x. So 9x and 4x are the like terms. So we have to write down 9x here. In the same way, minus 10 and 5 are the like terms. So we have to write down 5 and 10 in this way. Now we can add both these expressions. So here no terms which is like terms with 7x square. So 7x square we have to write down as it is. Here 9x is positive, 4x is negative. So 9 minus 4 is what? 5x. Yes, but the sign will be positive. But here also minus 10 and 5 is there. So minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5. So this is we get the addition of the two algebraic expressions, that is 7x square plus 5x minus 5. Understand? So here we have to use the concept of the like terms, that 4x is like term with 9x and 5 and minus 10 are also the like terms. Let us take one more example. Here we have to add the three expressions, right? Here also we have to make the addition, but the three algebraic expressions are there. One is 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. This is the first expression. Second one is 4yz plus 9zx. 9zx minus 4y. And the third one is minus 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy. So these three terms are there. So first of all, let us write down the first expression, that is 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. Right? Now we have to add this expression, algebraic expression, with this expression. So we have to write down the like terms, right? 7xy. See, there is no terms with xy. So here we cannot write down any terms here. 4yz is there. So we can write down 4yz here because these two are the like terms. In the same way, 3zx zx is there, but zx is not here, right? So we cannot write down any terms here. So we have to write down this 9zx here and this terms y terms here. 4y is here. Okay, now third minus x 3xz. So xz is there. So xz, see zx and xz are the same. So we can write down this minus 3xz here, right? Now 5x is there. Now no terms here are with the x. So we can write down 5x here. Okay, and this is xy minus 2xy. So minus 2xy we can write down here. Now we have to add all the three terms. See 5x is there, no other terms with the variable x. So write down as it is. 7xy minus 2xy we can write down plus 5xy. yz. Now 4yz plus 5yz plus 4yz, that is 9yz. Right? 3xz and 3zx. zx and xz means same. And minus, both are minus, so we have to add them, but the sign will be negative. 6xz. Right? Okay. Okay, this term is also the zx, right? So here we have to write down minus plus 9zx plus 9zx. So we have to add all these three. This minus minus plus 6xz and this is minus 9xz. So plus 6 minus 6 plus 9, that is plus 3 plus 3xz, and this minus 4y is remains as it is because no like terms are there with y terms. So these are the addition of all the three expressions, first, second and third, right? So here we have add all these terms like this. So this is the addition of the algebraic expression. 5xy plus 9yz plus 3zx minus 4y plus 5x. Now let us study the subtraction. Now we will subtract. How we can subtract the true expressions? See, one is 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3. We have to subtract this from which expression? 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. So we have to subtract this from this. So first of all, whatever the expression we have to, this expression we have to subtract from this. So this we have to write down as it is. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Now we have to subtract this. So first of all we have to consider the like terms here also. So 5x square is like terms with this 7x square. So write down here as it is. 4y square. Here we have to write down 4y square. 6y. So 6y is here. And no constant term is there in the first expression. So minus 3 we have to write down as it is. Now as we are subtracting here, we have to change the sign of all these terms. So this term plus is now becomes negative. This term will become positive. This will negative and this will become positive. Now we can add both these terms. 7x square minus 5x square, that is 2x square minus 4xy remains as it is. 8y square plus 4y square, that is equals to 12y square. This 5x as it is. Minus 3y minus 6y, that is minus 9y, and here this is plus 3 is there. So this is how we can subtract the two algebraic expression. First expression we have to write down as it is. For the second expression we have to change the sign, right? So this thing you have to keep in mind, from which expression we have to subtract the another expression. So here we have to subtract this from this. So this first expression remain as it is. For second expression we have to change the sign. It is like subtract the 6 from 12. So we cannot write down 6 minus 12. This is wrong. We have to write down 12 minus 6. Right? So this is you have to keep in mind. So this is all about the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay? This is all about this lecture. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.